Welcome back to another reloading video, guys. We're going to be loading 7.62 by 25 Tokarev again. And I was really pleased with how Longshot performed with the 71 grain jacketed hollow points.
God damn.
And if you guys didn't see that video, you should check it out because it was pretty impressive. I was getting close to 1900 feet per second with those rounds. Now, we're going to be doing 78 grain hardcast. This is from Brazos. I don't even think Brazos exists as a company anymore, but I'm sure you can find something very similar. There's a lot of sites that sell roughly the same diameter, same grain weight. This is 0.312 diameter, so it's going to be a little oversized. I believe my bore is around 311, so that's perfect for lead. That's mainly why I want to test these, because the 71 grainers perform very well, but they're only 308 diameter, so they're undersized for my barrel. We're going to be doing two different loads. One's 8.8 grains of Longshot and one's 9.2. The reason I chose those is I punched into quick load to see roughly the pressure, the same pressures as I got last time, and then backed it off a little bit. So I didn't want to push these. I have no idea, and I can't trust quick load. There's no load data for Tokarev with Longshot that I know of. I couldn't find any. So we're going to kind of go off of that and see how 8.8 grains. For brass, we're going to be using Starline. And this is only once fired, I believe. I only shot this once, and these guys do not need to be even trimmed. They were short from the factory. I believe they're 0.955 or something. Right now they're 0.963 or so. So that's fine. We don't need to... Oops. We're going to be using CCI Small Pistol Magnum 550s, same as we did last time. And yeah, we'll see how they perform.
Recording. Fuck.
Some good content. Jeez. Roll it.
Okay, maybe you're right. Well, I got 3 shots. That's pretty good.
Hold on.
Look
Alright,
fine.
there we go. Now it's
Macro mode.
Jesus.
That's 4. I can shoot a couple more too. Ooh, that one broke the bank.
Rip.
That's okay. A high of 1808.
And Longshot impresses me again. I didn't notice any overpressure signs, so that's good.
Those dirty fingies.
Now, I was thinking about maybe testing this against level 3A armor, see if it can go through. But you guys tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.